Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, it's that time of the year when we start revising for the final exams. In this lesson, we are going to look at transformations in English, which are also known as rewrites. Okay? So, we are going to look at 10 examination questions, and I'm going to explain to the best of my knowledge. So, enjoy. The first question here is saying, both mother and father are not at home. Both mother and father are not at home. So when you use both here, both is used for two things. Two things or people. Are we together? Yes. Very good. So when you use both, you're supposed to use and automatically. Now, we are asked to rewrite the same sentence here without changing the meaning. We are changing meaning? Meaning. Using what? Neither. Neither goes with what? No. N-O-R. Are we together? Very good. Okay. So, we have here neither. So, it will be neither mother. Mawati? Mother, no. Father, then. Look at this. This is where the catch is. This is where the what? The catch is. You know that when you use the and here, this is, you're combining two ideas, or two people. So here you're supposed to use are. Aye? Are. Now, here, when you use neither mother nor father, the noun after no determines the nature of the what? Of the verb we're going to use. Are we together? Yes. So here we can't use are. We're going to use, because the father is singular. So we're supposed to use what? Is. Good. Is at home. Simple. So, neither mother nor father is at home. Not are at home. Why are is not correct is because this becomes the subject after no father. But if this one was like this, the question was, let's say neither my brother nor my parents, which is plural, right? It's supposed to be are at home. Aye, because after no here there is what? A plural noun. Plural what? Noun. Good. Let's go to the second question. Question 2. Dennis did not study hard. Dennis did not what? Study hard. As a result, he failed terribly. Terribly. He failed all the examinations. Are we together? Yes. Now, begin your sentence with if Dennis. If Dennis, this is now expressing regret. You are regretting. Yes. It already happened. It can never happen. So it's a regret. You're expressing what? Regret. So this one will be, if Dennis had studied hard. Okay? If Dennis had studied what? Hard. Comma, right? Comma. He what? He could what? Check. There is if Dennis had what? He studied hard. He would what? He would have passed all the examinations. Very examinations. Very good. Very good. Very good. So if you tell someone, if you had studied hard, you would have passed all the examinations. What are you trying to tell that person? He failed, right? The person failed. Okay? The person failed. See, now that you didn't study hard, you've what? You failed all the examinations. Are we together? So this is a conditional sentence. This one is a conditional sentence. There is a condition attached to passing the examination, which is what? Studying hard. Studying hard. Are we together? Good. Let's go to question 3. Question what? 3. Question 3 reads, if the tenant does not pay rent. This is also under conditions, right? Okay. If the tenant does not pay rent, the landlord will lock the house when? Tomorrow. Okay. Okay, cool. So there is a condition here. So the condition for locking the house the following day is by the tenant not paying rent, huh? Okay. So begin unless. So you should know that unless means or replaces if not. If not. If dash no, not. So here it will be in place of if the tenant does not. You see? In place of if does not, it will be unless. So unless the tenant pays rent. Are we together? You've replaced if does not with unless the tenant pays rent. So it will be unless the tenant pays. Right? Comma. Are we together? What will happen? The landlord do what? The landlord will what? Will lock the house tomorrow. This is conditional sentences. Let's go to question 4. Question 4 says, this is Wupe. Is here. Wupe and Chipego. Wupe and who? Wupe and Chipego are siblings. So what? But they don't go to the same university. They don't go to the same what? University. Are we together? University. Begin although. Now this one is a contrast, not condition. It's a contrast. What is a contrast? Structures of contrast are used to combine two or more ideas, usually two ideas that do not usually go together. Like if I say, you are beautiful, but your behavior. You have a bad what? Behavior. So there is being beautiful and the behavior. Are we together? Bad what? Behavior. So these two, we have a positive statement and negative what? Statement. Now you want to combine them. You use what? Contrast. You can use but, you can use yet, you can use although, you can use though, you can use as. Are we together? You can also use nevertheless. You can also use no matter how, no matter when, no matter who, no matter where. No matter. No? All these are structures of what? Contrast. Are we together? Structures of what? Contrast. But here, we're using although. Are we together? Now let me just tell you something. Do not use structure of contrast more than one. Like here, if you use although, don't add but within the sentence. So this one will be although Wupe and Chipego are siblings, comma, they, not but. Don't add but. You've already used this one to show contrast. So just go direct. They don't. They what? They don't go. Go where? To the same university. Are we together? Cool. Now, other types of contrast, we also have something like this. Despite, in spite. Are we together? Yes. Despite, in spite. So you can use in spite and despite to write the same. Okay? To write the same sentence. So this is under contrast. So practice a lot. Let's go to, what's this? To question 5, eh? Let's go to question 5. Question 5 here is saying, the last time I saw him was in 2000. The last time I saw what? Him what? Yes. The last time I saw him was in 2000. Begin, I haven't seen him since 2000. Full stop. Correct. Okay. I haven't seen him since what? 2000. Okay. Number 6. I like Livingstone better than Kitwe. I like Livingstone better than Kitwe. Yes. What's your question? What? I haven't seen him since in. I know you can't use since in. Just since exactly the date. Since Thursday. Since when? Not since on Thursday. 0. I like Livingstone better than Kitwe. I like Livingstone better than Kitwe. I prefer Livingstone to why then? I prefer Livingstone to what? Kitwe. Full stop. This is about preference, huh? You can't use I prefer Jennifer than Mary. You're even smiling. You know my guy. I prefer Coca-Cola than Fanta. Mubantu. Taukote fe school. Taukote fe data. It is. If you want to use then, you say. If you want to use then, you can say I like what? I like it. Yeah. Yes. I like Fanta better than Coca-Cola. If you want something like that, cool. But as long as you're using prefer is to. Okay. Now, just to add on this one, for example, let's say I would rather eat rice than drink beer. For instance, I would rather eat rice than drink what? Drink beer Okay? Then they told you begin I prefer. So this one would be I prefer eating rice to drinking beer. Are we together? Listen, the verb here is eat. Now when using prefer, it will be eating. Here it is drink. This one becomes drinking. I prefer eating rice to drinking beer. But when you have the same noun here, let's say you have you eat rice, right? But you can't eat beer. Are we together? So let's change here to Nshima. She? Okay, Nshima. So when you use if both nouns you can eat or drink, you don't repeat. Are we together? Both you don't repeat the verb. So here it will be, I would rather eat rice than Shima. Not I would rather eat rice than eat Shima. Are you getting it? Yes. Oh. So when now using prefer, it will be I prefer eating rice to Shima, not to eating Shima again. You're getting the point, huh? Yes. Okay. Let's now answer question what? 7. Question 7. Question 7. Question 7 is saying, somebody saw a lion on the farm. Somebody saw a lion on the farm. Begin farm. Oh, begin what? A lion was seen. A lion was seen. Seen, S-E-E-N, was seen on the farm by somebody. Somebody, yeah? No, there is somebody here. Now, how about it? A lion was seen by somebody on the farm.
Yes. I want.
Yes, huh?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yes. Yes. Now, what if they say begin the farm? And the farm was seen by the lion. By a lion. Begin. Okay, begin on the farm.
On the farm, a lion. Someone saw a lion.
On the farm, somebody
saw a lion.
Uh-huh. On the farm, somebody. On the farm, somebody.
Saw a lion.
Begin saw a lion. Huh? Begin saw a lion. By somebody. Not by you.
By somebody. At the begin by what?
Saw a lion.
Somebody was seen by a lion. A lion, somebody on the farm.
Okay. That was just a light moment. Okay, a light moment. This one can be written as begin a lion or begin on the farm. On the farm, a lion was seen by somebody, or somebody saw a lion. You are brilliant. Let's go to question 8. You cannot travel to London rather. You cannot travel to London unless you have a valid passport. Listen. Do you still remember what I told you in question? What question was that? That one which begin with unless. This one, question 3, yeah? Yes. Do you still remember? I said that unless replaces if not. Or does not, huh? Something like that. You cannot travel to London unless you have a valid passport. So unless here it means if you don't have a valid, are we together?
Yes.
Unless replaces if not. So this one becomes if you don't have a valid passport, you cannot travel to begin if you don't. If you do not what? If you do not have a valid passport, should we punctuate this one with a comma? Definitely. Okay? You cannot travel. You cannot. Travel to London. Yes.
So when that sentence is saying if you do not have a valid passport, there's a comma there. So after the comma, you need to start your word with a capital letter.
No. This is not a capital letter. This is a small letter. Why? After a comma, just a lowercase. Letter. Cool. Number 9. Tandiwe said that John had stolen her school bag. Okay. Oh, this is not true. This is just a suspect. So a suspect is innocent until proven guilty by the courts of law. So you're just accusing the person. Now, the catch to this question is this word they've used here, begin at accused. So accused goes with of. You're accused of. Succeed in. Are we together? Ought to. Are you getting the point? I know. Tandiwe said that John had stolen her school bag. Begin. Tandiwe accused John of stealing. That's where the secret is when you use accused. It's accused of. So since here you can just write Tandiwe accused of. Accused who? John of stealing. Accused John of what? Stealing her school bag. Are we together?
Yes.
Full stop. Don't forget to punctuate.
So you were accused John to have stolen.
No. The secret is accused. Accused goes with of. That is wrong. That's wrong. Yes, Nishwasuna. Number 10, Sepo played in the netball match. So you have two sentences here. You have Sepo played in the netball match. Full stop. She had an injured what? Knee. So join the two sentences, then they started with although. This is the contrast type. Remember what I told you about contrast? I said English of structures of contrast are used to combine ideas that normally do not go together. The other one is positive, the other one is negative. You see, she played. I don't know if he or she or she. Okay, she played in the netball match. Okay, then you see, she had an injured what? Knee. So someone who has an injured knee is not expected to play, right?
Yes.
So when combining, you're supposed to use the structures of what? Contrast. Okay? Structures of what? Contrast. And this becomes like this. Although Sepo played in the netball match, comma, like we've done to question this one for Whoop and Chipego. Yes. Although Sepo played in the in the netball match, comma, right? Comma, she had an injured what? Knee. Full stop? Full stop.
Sir,
Yes.
so my teacher saw that although she had an injury, comma, Sepo played in the game.
The order of, in fact, not actually, it's not correct. You have a noun and a pronoun. You know, Sepo is a noun, right? Yes. Okay, Sepo. Then she is what? Pronoun. You see? And what does the rule of English when it comes to nouns and pronouns instead? You always start with a noun. Then a pronoun. You get the point, huh? Hello? Uh-huh. So here start with a noun, then pronoun. That is it. That's it. So although Sepo played in the netball match, she had an injured knee. Again here, don't add Sepo foot. You can't say Sepo had. So you can say although Sepo played in the netball match, Sepo had an injured knee. That is repetition. Repetition. Repeating, huh?